You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I'm a little cynical. Probably the Russian in me.
Asgard has been invaded yet again. But as always, making shot.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Steve, buddy. Not the first time. Won't be the last. Do you truly believe you can stop my grand scheme?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Help get that vehicle to its destination!
Limbo doesn't let go that easy.
I've spotted them. I have found more lost souls.
Come, my minion!
Tandy needs help.
I got you! Just in time. Thanks. Come, my minion!
Born again!
Survive this!
Got our orders. Let's get to that tree.
You're halfway there! Keep going!
Rise, my friends!
Okay, this feels good.
Second chances.
Okay, this feels
Together
good.
to victory!
Nice.
Together. Healing for my friends.
I climbed out of limbo. I got you! Help! So cold.
Your powers born again!
Only 60 seconds left!
Climbed out of limbo. This
I have
is
found
nothing.
more lost souls. I require some aid.
I got you! I was in trouble.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! You get a web! You get a web! You get a web!
That's better. Back from limbo!
You'll have to keep fighting until you have a winner.
Born again!
They got behind you!
Your powers are mine!
Fire mode!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Have Soul Sword. We'll travel.
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I have mutant powers. And a little demonic magic, too.
The right heroes could make all the difference. Round 2, go!
My soul remains noble, as my sword stays bright.
We'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Magic, please. You're helping Apocalypse ascend to godhood. Do you know what comes after?
An age that's rightfully ours? You know the old gods had their turn and messed up. Fist of Khonshu.
That's horseman talk.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Incoming!
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
How can I focus on clouds when there's a humongous crack in the sky?
Charge!
Turn on your tail!
I was in trouble.
Please, we're hurt!
Come, my minion!
Better stop that vehicle.
I climbed out of limbo. This is nothing. Survive this!
Final score 0-1. Well, you can't expect to win them all. Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
Forget who you're fighting for.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I knew you in another time. Wouldn't surprise me. You were a great leader and an example to all warriors. I would be proud to fight with you. All right then. Welcome to the Resistance.
Watch this place closely.
The battle starts in 5,
Dance.
4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Travel tip. With the right credit card, interdimensional trips get crazy extra miles.
Hostile forces incoming. What on earth has Namor done? I'll be ship-shape in no time.
Don't mind me.
Coming!
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Mission area is yours.
Careful.
That's right.
Like the others.
Everything is mine.
Coming through! You can always count on me, partner. Your usefulness has... I never stayed down. Take this!
If Loki must fall to return this golden realm to its proper glory, so be it.
Count on me.
Hold the fort, soldiers. I'll be ship-shape in no time. Take this!
Warriors love things with 8 legs, but this...
You're relieved of duty.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Let's dance! Stand down! These come in real handy. Take this! That's the boost I needed.
Vulnerable.
Something seems fishy here.
The area's almost yours.
The moon haunts you! Let's assemble!
The world.
Catch! I'm doing this my way! If we don't stand up for what's right, who will? Catch!
All right, time to get my web on.
Relay deployed. It ain't cheap.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
How does a creature so small lift a weapon so large?
Same as you, pal.
Verily, you must jest, Rocketeer.
Yeah, it was worth a try.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I don't know the actual mileage, but this feels like a long way from Wings.
Proof that one person should never possess this much power. Enemy ahead! Prepare to engage! I'll be ship-shape in no time.
Disappear!
Let's dance!
Fight for the good guys next time.
Control seized!
Enemy ahead. Prepare to engage. That's the boost I need. Sorry, soldier. These come in real handy. You think I'm too old for this? Catch!
Control lost!
That's the boost I needed. Sorry, soldier. I am We're gonna do what we have to.
Double KO!
These come in real handy.
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going!
Catch! That's a real soldier. These come in real handy.
I'll patch you up.
Sorry! That's the boost I needed.
Look behind you.
That's enough, Castle.
Worthy foe.
The area's almost yours!
Catch!
Maximum pulse! Stark. Always led by his pride.
Enemy ahead. Prepare to engage.
Another epic victory! Big win! The right heroes could make all the difference.
No one escapes hell.
Round one,
Pass the
go!
trial of your soul.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
All spider people are connected to a spider totem.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I wonder if there are like raccoon totems.
Ha! My totem's a gun. Also, what's a raccoon?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm sorry. Observe. From what I hear about these I don't think I'm gonna like it. We're perfectly I'll patch you up.
Healing. Why would I need healing? Find that soul.
I'm just dying.
I hate monks.
You're ready for action.
Resistance is futile. Mortals use these. Shall I?
Render me assistance. Armed and dangerous!
This body is fragile.
Sure, those are bad guys.
Hey, idiots! Turn around!
Find that soul. For revenge.
They've
I
made
will
it halfway!
universes.
Stop them!
You're welcome. That's fucking hurt.
Behold the god of thunder! Here, Magneto!
I want to soul.
I'll patch you up.
I'm barely harmed. No escape from hell. Who is more immortal than I?
Better stop that vehicle! There's still a chance to stop them!
I want to soul.
I'll patch you up.
No escape from hell. Hell unleashed!
You get a weapon! You get a weapon! You get a weapon!
Your powers are mine!
Against the world!
Face my crows.
Double KO!
Mortals use these. Shall I?
Only 60 seconds left!
That fucking hurt!
I want to soul.
Halt the adversary.
Resistance is futile.
The moon haunts you!
Down to 30 seconds!
And Magneto!
Time.
Look behind you!
Enoch, destroy it.
Hey, Diddy! Enjoy the amplifier! Render me assistance.
The final 10 seconds!
The wounds are gone.
Let's keep fighting until we have a winner!
Is ever truly gone. Fight.
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
No one escapes hell.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
My domain will one day encompass all souls.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Remember, Loki, no one breaks a bargain with me twice.
That means I have to do it once.
What an exasperating fool you are when you try to make a joke.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Enemies. Arcs symbolize life. Therefore, I destroy them.
It's a long way from Queen.
I want her soul. No escape from hell.
You're welcome.
Healing. Why would I need healing?
I still need you. Someone scratch my back.
Resistance is futile.
I'll patch you up.
The moon haunts you!
Oh, these keyhole things are dangerous.
Resistance is futile. I am barely harmed.
Demons are gone. Thanks.
I'll make for them in hell.
This is real fun.
The darkness. Welcome to the dark.
Needed that. Thanks.
I shall claim my victory.
You get a web, and you get a web, and you get a web!
It's you and me again, old buddy.
Watch out, they're headed our way!
Us against the world.
Surely he'll be back. I am strengthened for battle.
Beholds the god of...
Much better.
Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
Don't mind me. I'm just dying.
Where?
You're welcome.
I am
Only 60 seconds left.
Now, Amelia! Your god is suffering.
Hey, Teeny, enjoy the amplifier.
The moon haunts you!
You're welcome.
Down to 30 seconds.
Time left! You get a web! You get a web!
by the eye of Agamotto.
Hey, we make a pretty good team!
I purge the darkness. Without Spider-Man, word medicine.
The final 10 seconds.
Beholds the god of thunder!
Out, dark magic.
There's enough!
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Interesting.
The moon!
powers are mine!
May Khonshu show you us against the world!
Hands are shaking again. Focus. I'm opening a portal.
Enjoy the amplifier!
Pentagram of Farah.
Surrender me assistance. An oak. Smash it. Behind us.
I am strengthened for battle.
All clear, no more on.
Goodbye. Final score 1-2-0. Another epic victory! Big win! The right heroes could make all the difference.
Be wary. No timeline exists where Magneto yields.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Our time has finally arrived. Here we are, side by side once more, just like the old days.
You mean back when you used children as weapons in your crusade against mankind?
You make me sound like a terrible father when you put it like that.
Then at least we can finally...
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
I beat Dr. Doom once, and I'll do it again if he gets in my face.
Get ready. Here come the bad guys.
We must defend this location.
Two primal forces merged as one. Ah, much better. Rest now, my child. Your troubled days are over.
My life force is exposed.
Glad to help. Throw out your tail.
A spider's no match for us.
Two primal forces merged as one.
We are in the front.
You cannot hurt me. That should be sufficient. You shall not be harmed.
Protective shield.
myself again. Ah, here they are now.
My friends are here! Focus on yourself. Yeah! Got him, Tippy!
You need not fear.
No
You
attack
have
can
made
harm
your
me.
father proud, Wanda, my dear.
Where do you think you're going?
So cold.
Fear Magneto! Your attacks are futile.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Only 60 seconds left.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Double kill! That's 3!
Power cannot be quelled.
Could use a couple minutes here.
Positively.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Insignificant gnats. My strength returns.
I outnumber you.
Better stop that vehicle!
The perfect collision.
I'm too vulnerable. Us against the world!
I feel like myself again. Insignificant gnats.
Supernova!
They got the drop on you!
Two primal forces merged as one.
Hold still, I'm trying to help.
Magneto! I feel like myself again. You need not fear.
Protective shield. Perfect.
You are welcome. Two primal forces merged as one.
Just embrace the light. Only 60 seconds left.
Magneto! I feel like myself again. Two primal forces merged as one.
Us against the world! Down to 30 seconds.
Your powers are mine!
They got behind you. Us against the world!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
I shall not be removed so easily.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. That last one. Oh, my friends are
You
here!
shall not be harmed.
Oh, I love it.
Fear Magneto!
2, 1. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
Be wary. No timeline exists where Magneto yields.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I will do what it takes to protect my people, no matter the price.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Wanda, 'tis a pleasure to see you, my dear.
I wish I could say the same, Father.
You may not be a true mutant, but you'll always be welcome on Krakoa.
Thank you for the invite, but I think I will pass.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Wakanda has always reached for the stars. Now we have Blade.
You cannot hurt me. Tiny metal creatures skittering about. I feel like myself again.
Hold still. I'm trying to help. Oh, now that's some king energy right
This
there.
will be helpful.
Now that's some king energy right there.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
No more tyrants shall rise while I still breathe.
My friends are here!
You have made your father proud, Wanda, my dear.
What about a police house?
You need not fear.
Alright, Ty. Now we really have to attack. Keep an eye on this.
Two primal forces merged as one.
Final score, 2-1.